Alright everyone, this is Big P here in the Philippines. Right now I'm with the a T-Max group and a maxi scooter group, and we got some mixed in. There's one Ducati and I don't know, a Ninja or something here as well, some 1000cc bikes and above. Anyway, I know I haven't made a video in a little while, so thought I'd go ahead and do this one, because right now we're in Angelis, and we went to the Bondocs steakhouse and got some lunch. Came out of Manila. Anyway, we're starting to head back to Manila here, and I thought I'd go ahead and record something and show all these bikes here and where we are. I didn't get a chance to adjust my camera today. Hopefully it's pretty straight, not crooked or anything like that. This is the first ride I've been on, I think, in I don't know, a month and a half or something like that. I've been busy doing other things, but I'm gonna go ahead and post up this video. I'm gonna make it about 15 minutes long or so. I hope everybody enjoys it. Pretty soon here in a few minutes we're going to be getting up on the North Luzon Expressway, heading back to Manila. We got to be careful. Right here are some of these speed bumps they put in the roads here. They're crazy, or they're a lot higher than normal sometimes. We're winding our way through this is part of Angelis, I believe. You know, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it is. This steakhouse we went to seemed to be, when they called it the Bondocs Steakhouse, exactly what it was. It was kind of out of the way. So we got to get out of these little neighborhood areas and get back to the major roads. There we go. Four-way flashers there and my front lights. I'm not even sure. Well, I know this is Angelis. So we're making a lot of noise here because a lot of these bikes have aftermarket mufflers on them and making some noise. For a Sunday, it seems to be a bit of traffic. There's usually not that much traffic on Sundays. People looking at us like we're all crazy. Thought that was a house, but it's a church of some kind over there. Manila Zone Expressway straight ahead. We were doing 165 kilometers an hour when we coming up here. It's a little faster than I normally ride. There's Clark, Manila. One of the other guys going around me. Right there in front of me, that one right there, that's one of the 2017 T-Maxes. The one right there in front of me. They got some new features they came out with. They're pretty nice, but the price is also way up there. You know, it's kind of crazy how high the price is. And we go into the get to the toll booth here. Get our ticket. Let's see a good look at all the bikes we got here. CBR. I don't know, I think those are 1,100 cc's. There's one of the new T-Maxes over there and some of the older T-Maxes from last year. I have the only Kymco xciting 400i. I have the only one here. I don't know what's going on here. People are switching sides. Maybe because they think it's faster, I don't know. I think there's something wrong with that machine up there. It's not giving out the card like it's supposed to. All you're supposed to do here is get this card or this receipt paper, and then head back down the highway. And when you get to the far end, wherever you get off at is where you have to pay. I was trying to tell him his side pouch thing is open. Alright. Don't want anything to fall out of his side pouch. There we go. This thing don't work very well. I don't know. That machine's not working very well. You can see all these bikes here. That one, the one in front of me, came from the Moto Hub. Anyway, the Kymco has a new bike coming out, an AK 550, which is 550 cc's, and the T-Max, which is this competition, is 530 cc's. So here we go. See what these guys are going to do. Anyway, the Kymco AK 550, their Kymco corporate here in the Philippines said they're bringing in 12 of them this month. And then on, August 5th, they're going to have some kind of introduction to it or whatever, bring it out, start selling them, or launch it, or whatever you want to say. But see, here's the thing. They haven't said how much it's going to be yet. The T-Max is like 630 or something like that pesos, which is quite a lot of money. And that the AK-550 is going to be somewhere around, 550,000 pesos, which is going to be a pretty good amount, but it's going to be 100,000 pesos or so less than the T-Max, which is going to make it a popular thing to have here in the Philippines. Yeah, looks like these guys are picking up some speed right now. And the wind is hitting me pretty hard. I don't know if you guys can hear that wind speed. See them guys go past me? They were traveling pretty fast. They got 1,000 cc's, 850 cc's, that sort of thing. My bike here is 400 cc's, but it's still got some pretty good speed in it. Oh, that guy's back is showing. So I'm doing pretty good. I don't know if these guys are going to stop somewhere else or what they're going to do. But I'm just going to keep on rolling and see what happens. Will they stop in here? Yep, looks like somebody's stopping here. Maybe somebody needs to get some gas. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah, looks like somebody needs to get some gas. Danger, preventive maintenance. I'm stopping here because these guys stopped with some other ones that just went straight. Okay, well, I'm just going to keep going. They're stopping to just get some fuel. They're probably going to catch up to me later on if they really scream down the highway. Got a rider with me today. Got Joanne with me. We went and had lunch with these guys. Let's see here if I can catch up with the other T-Maxes that were in front of me. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to crank up some speed here. I still have to get around these guys. Technically, I have what would be considered the lowest CC scooter or bike on this ride, and so it might take me a while to catch up to these guys. Maybe they'll stop up here somewhere and we'll see them. There's one right there. Right in front of me. it's finished with the break-in period. On the way out. Right now it's at 152 or so. That's actually higher than the bike is rated at. It's higher than the bike. You know, the speed of the bike is rated at for being 400 cc's. That were behind me that were on the higher CC bikes, they'll come through here past me probably at 200 or something. We'll see. That's a Nissan something right there. I never did see one of those. Looks like a pretty nice looking truck. Oh my. I didn't check and see how long the video's been going. Oh well. Road widening project. I think I said before that, you know, I've heard that some people had problems with their xciting 400i's by Kymco. You know, they were dragging a little bit or lagging or having problems with the engine or whatever, but I haven't had any problems at all, pretty much. Just a few things here and there, and it's been pretty good. Then again, I'm doing all the proper maintenance and services and changing the oils and things like that when I'm supposed to. So maybe that's making a difference. I'm not sure. showed you the other bikes. You know, I'm getting a video out here on the North Luzon Expressway. And the next video, I'm going to let you guys know the next video I'm going to do is going to be when they introduce the AK550 on August 5th. So look for that. And if you guys are enjoying what I'm doing and showing you a little bit of the Philippines, then you should subscribe to the channel so you can get the videos I'm putting out. But for now, I'm just going to say this is Big P in the Philippines, exploring the Philippines here and having some fun. Until next time, this is Big P. I'm saying I'm out.